Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can write the data into an Excel. For that, guys, in Python language. For that, guys, first thing we have to do, we have to import openpyxl package. Okay. Here, this is the package which contains all the methods to write or read the data from an Excel. We'll write workbook equal to openpyxl.Workbook. So now then we'll write sheet equal to wb.active. So we want the sheet to be active, and sheet title I will give as my first book, which will be the sheet title. Okay. Now, so I've taken a data, a simple array, which I am adding name, age, and city as a columns. A, B, C are the names. Age 30, 25, and 42. Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad, respectively, they are residing. Now, what I will do, I will take this data, I will write into an Excel. Here, if the Excel itself is not there, it will create by itself. So here I am doing a for loop where I'm taking the row value and column value with iterating between the value itself, rows and columns. So I'm doing what sheet.cell, the sheet is here, which is the first sheet and it is my first book. I'm adding row value plus one, column value plus one. I'm adding all the values respectively. Now, what I'll do here, I'll save the workbook as soon as the loop is finished. I'll save it as my first book. This is a sheet. I can write like this, my first book sheet. So my first book .xlxs will be the file which I'm going to save this workbook as. As soon as it saves, I'll print the data written to an Excel file. Now, I have to save this, save as openpyxl. Instead of read Excel, I'll just write excel.py save. Okay. Now what I'll do, open pyx, write excel.py, enter. So data written to the Excel file should be printed now. So data is written to an Excel file. Okay. Now let us go to the location. I have to see whether my first book.xlsx has been created. Okay. See here, my first book.xlsx has been created. Let me double click to this file. So now let it open. My first book.xlsx. So now as you can see, name, age, and city, ABC 3025, 3020, 42, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. I'll add this code in the description. Okay. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.